Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Let's run to the kitchen. Today we are going to be making some teriyaki salmon steak. And here are my little bit of this and little bit of that I'll be using to construct this wonderful little dish. My salmon. Hey Sammy. Yes, so guys, this part you don't have to do. I had some teriyaki marinade, so I was like, listen, just use it up, use it. But guess what, you don't have to do this part. So all you would do is just put some black pepper, no salt, because we're going to be using soy sauce. So here I'm sprinkling some black pepper onto the salmon, right? So, and I guess if you wanted to use any other seasoning, then yeah, go ahead. But if you don't have the marinade, don't worry about it. Trust me, it doesn't affect the dish. It's gonna be good anyway. But I had it, so I was like, listen, use it. So yeah, you would just skip this part, just add some black pepper, and if you want to add more seasoning, because next we are going to get to frying. But first, let's make this sauce. So here I am using 1 cup soy sauce, low sodium soy sauce now, and a 1/3 cup oyster sauce. So I say low sodium because soy sauce really salty now, man. So you wanna, low sodium is better. And here I'm adding 1/2 cup apple cider vinegar and 3 to 4 or say 4 tablespoons of sugar, right? And get to whisking, whisk that together. Our mix. But yeah, I'm using my little my big whisker and whisking it together. So set that aside, and now we're going to fry the salmon. So to my hot frying pan, I'm adding some oil. Yes, so I added my pieces of salmon steak, and all we're doing, we're not leaving them in there for long. We just want to get each side a little bit brown, and then we flip them over, right? I didn't want them to break, so hence why I have on my little gloves, which don't prevent you from getting burned now, but it's just so I can touch the salmon. So yeah, so that's why I was saying you don't necessarily have to do the part with the teriyaki marinade. Just put some black pepper, or if you want to put some seasoning, and then we jump to frying. So yeah, Vibes fam, now they are all done. As I said, not long. Each side maybe 2 minutes. So take them out and set them aside. And I have 2 more pieces to fry. So I'm going to ease or dash those in the pot and get them to frying. So yeah, Vibes fam, here are my pieces of fried salmon. Well, they're almost there. And these are almost done, I guess, because I'm going to flip them over. But you guys don't need to see that part. So here I'm adding my garlic to my frying pan. So I pour out the oil. You don't need the oil in the frying pan now, right? So I pour out the oil, added my garlic, let it get a little bit brown. Then I added my ginger, 1 tablespoon of ginger, by the way, 2 tablespoons of garlic, right? Minced garlic. So everything is minced up, and now I'm adding the sauce that I mix up. You know, the whiskey one? Yes, I'm adding that. So get it all out of there. because we want everything in our pot. We're not wasting anything. So yeah, mix it, give it a mix and bring it to a boil. So you need to bring it to a boil. So when you bring it to a boil, you add the salmon steak. Look at them. Look at y'all. Looking so pretty. So put those in. Oh! And then now what we're going to do, we're going to, of course, cover them with that beautiful, nice little chocolatey sauce. Chocolate as in the color, right? So cover it up, cover it up, cover it with that beautifulness. So delicious. And then leave it to boil for to simmer for about 2 minutes. Just about. So yeah, Vibes fam, now I'm adding some crushed pepper. So I'm telling you, just amazing. You guys should smell this thing. Can you think about the ginger and stuff? Smells so good. So yes, I'm going to pour some more of that sauce on it. And guys, really, when it starts getting thick, the sauce is gonna get a little thick, and then that's when you just turn it off. But guys, look at it. So beautifully beautiful. So gorgeously gorgeous. Vibes fam, see we here we are all done, but you know I'm trying to make that color pop, so I'm just dashing on a little bit of scallion or green onion, whatever you want to call it. Yes, I'm just sprinkling a little bit. So yes, Vibes fam, here it is, some teriyaki salmon steak. Yes, Vibes fam, you guys know I love me some salmon, right? I absolutely love me some salmon. But look at this, glistening, coming through with your nice self. Step forward, you little pretty one. You look at you looking so Ooh, yes, delicious. I love it. Vibes fam, I always enjoy me a good piece of salmon. So Vibes fam, comment down below and tell me, are you a salmon lover? If you are, what is your favorite salmon recipe? But I hope you're open to trying this teriyaki salmon right here. Amazing, absolutely amazing. I'm telling you guys, you are going to enjoy it. So guys, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, share. By the way, turn on the notification bell please, and God bless you.